Draw and learn. Oh, look at this big truck. Hello, kids. Today we want to coloring this truck with each other. Let's go. I'm using light blue color for the window. Please subscribe us. Which color is the best for the light? That's right, yellow color. Which color do you like for the bumper? What about dark blue color? Do you like it? So amazing! Let's color the truck so colorful. At first, I'm using green color for here. And then I'm using orange color. What's the next? Oh, light orange color. Please subscribe us, kids. Which color is the next? Do you know? Oh, light green color. So beautiful. Pink color. Repeat after me. Pink color. You're so amazing, kids. Now I'm using red color. What's the color of the last one? Brown color. Repeat after me. Brown color. Let's using blue color for here. Keep going, kids. You're so great. I'm sure you can color it very well. Oh, which color I'm using now? Do you know? That's right, you're so clever. It's red color. I'm using orange color for the mirror and black color for the wheels. Awesome! We finished it! Thank you for watching me. If you like our videos, please subscribe us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.